Hi friends, welcome to our Solar Ride YouTube channel. First of all, thanks for watching my previous videos to all. Today I want to explain about calibration topic. Why? Because in all manufacturing industries, instruments are using for different cause. Machine should need calibration for all instruments. And so many interviews you also heard what is a calibration. This calibration term is very important word in industry, manufacturing industry life. That's why I want to explain this topic clearly. What is the calibration? Definition of the calibration, importance of the calibration, when required instruments for calibration, what are the advantages of calibration, and how many types conduct calibration, and what major effects when doing calibration process, and how preparing the calibration documentation. Please, if not subscribe this channel, please subscribe the Solar Ride channel. Let's go for clear explanation of these all things. The definition and importance of calibration. What is calibration? Comparison between a known standard instrument measurements with the using or required instrument measurement. Simply, I will derive and describe the calibration process. What is the exact calibration process for instruments? Calibration is nothing but comparison between the known standard instrument measurement with the required instrument measurement. That is known as calibration. What is the importance of calibration means? The goal of calibration is to minimize any measurement uncertainty by ensuring the accuracy of the test equipment. The main purpose of the calibration is the increasing the accuracy level and decreasing to the uncertainty levels or readings. Calibration quantifies and controls error or uncertainties within the measurement process to an acceptable level. We want each instrument within lesser side tolerance of the uncertainty. We want more accuracy measurement of the particular instrument. That's why we need to go to the calibration process. This is the basic definition of calibration and importance definition. The next one is, what are the uses of calibration? What is the use of calibration? The first one is increasing the accuracy of instrument. Next use is increasing the quality of product. And next one is decreasing the extra waste. It means our instrument is not good calibrated. It means showing the higher values. For example, you are taking weighing scale. That weighing scale will be properly not calibrated. In the sense, some grams are extra going to the supplier. That is the wastage up to the company. That's why well calibrated instrument give three uses: increasing the accuracy of the instrument measurement, the next one is increasing the quality of product, and decreasing the extra wastage. This is the main uses of calibration. The next one is when required of calibration. Calibration when requires to the instruments means, first one is after the repair, second one is after the expired of time calibration, the third one is replacement of parts. Sometimes some instruments are properly not working. In that time, repair will going on the instrument. After the repair, machine should calibrate exact calibrate to the instrument. The next one is The calibration process will be sometimes some instruments giving to the 6 months and or 1 year. After the time period, must and should we need to do calibration. The third parameter is after replacement of parts. Some instruments having many branch core parts. In that time, some parts are replaced. In that time, we need to do calibration process to the particular instruments. That's why we need calibration when required, means after the repair, after expired of the time of calibration, after replacement of the part for instruments. The next one is how many types of calibration? Mainly two types of calibration, internal calibration and external calibration. What is the internal calibration means? Process that uses the balance's inner mechanism to self-calibrate with calibrated instrument. In the sense, I will give some good example. The particular manufacturing company using the many, for example, 10 number of weighing scale machines. In that time, we need to have a chance for doing weighing scale machines internal calibration. How means we need to give one mission to the particular agency for the calibration. After the calibration, we will taking the reference with that calibrated weighing scale. We will certify to the another 9 weighing scale missions for these values to that values. That is exactly known as the internal calibration. But here accuracy is pure to comparing with external calibration process and chance of tolerance is high, error tolerance is high. The second one is external calibration. External calibration is the process of fine tuning with the standard instruments readings with the high accuracy level and have less tolerance error values. This is the best calibration process. The next one is while doing the calibration process, what are the major factors that affect to the calibration process? Calibration result is an important to control environmental conditions in which measurements are made. Control and monitoring of following factors should be maintained as recommended by manufacturer of standard instrument. This word means the statement what explaining here. When we are doing calibration process to the particular instrument, in that time here mentioned parameters will be affected to the calibration process. For example, temperature, we need to have 25 degrees plus or minus 4 degrees. The next one, relative humidity less than or equal to 70% RH. Illumination level minimum 450 lux. The power supply regulation, example 1% plus or minus 1%. Temperature gradient is 1.5 degrees Celsius per hour. Shock and vibration should be adequately and proper at. Why we need to these parameters we will taking considering while doing the calibration means, for example, thermometer we are doing calibration, in that time temperature varying, it means temperature gradient is more. For example, per hour is having 5 degree to 10 degrees, in that time the thermometer will not get good calibration process. That's why we need to different instrument, different atmosphere parameter affect to the process. That's why these all parameters will be satisfied with these specific parameters. In that time only calibration process will be done very good. The next topic is documentation elements for calibration. After the calibration, what are the parameters will need to record for audits or quality level inspections? Documentation has very important role and proper care shall be taken for documenting. What are the parameters? Means calibration procedure and methods, calibration results, recording of data, calibration report and calibration certificate also. And who, what, when, where, how. Name and identification, CalAptech approving authority. And next one is what? Calibration results and data. When? Calibration date. Where? Calibration location and address where calibrated done. How? Calibration procedure and method. Limitations or decision shall also be reflected. After the calibration process, the calibration agency will give to the certified one certificate. In that certificate, in the documentation, these all mentioned parameters will reflect it into that particular certificate. After the certification, the calibration agency will attach one sticker on the instrument. For example, A to Z Calibration Private Limited, the instrument code and serial number of instrument, the calibration date, valid up to means expiry date, and signature of the particular agency of calibrator. These things are very important to the quality department for documentation of particular instrument calibration process. Thanks for your attention. Please give like and write a comment. If not subscribe my channel, please subscribe SolarRight YouTube channel. Thank you.